The title of the track is One Night in Conegliano. Actually, I just translated in English because the name of the track is Una Notte Conegliano, which means one night in Conegliano, in this beautiful town where we are streaming from. And it's kind of interesting because at the time, a couple of years ago, Steven was in town, stayed at XYZ, we worked on music, and you know, he played an unbelievable jazz DJ set. And we had this amazing night at the Swing Bar, the legendary underground jazz venue, I would say, in Conegliano. And Steven played this amazing set. I opened for him, and then after the set, you know, I showed him the CD, took him around, and we had a good time. And once he was back, once he went back to London, he said, like, man, I had an amazing night. It was fantastic. And he got so much inspiration out of this experience that he got the idea of writing a track based on the inputs he was enjoying that night. The sound of the streets, people chatting, music coming from every other corner. Conegliano is incredibly rich in terms of musical inputs. There's always some DJ set, some band playing. So he wrote this track and he drafted out, and then with John they brought it back to life. So this is Una Notte Conegliano. Is going to be available in the new and upcoming album of John DeBrett and Stephen BunnDebrettQuintet 3.